I said I am not angry. I am furious. I am mad. Because this is not a voting system. I have voted countless of times. This is my third time of voting. This is not a voting system. Why will you vote and be accredited without voting? What is that? What is the meaning of that? You are voting. You are supposed to vote. I've been here since 9 a.m. I go to the polling booth. Before you are collecting me, you are collecting the voters card from the people of the back. You have some people are claiming that they are the owner of the town. We are all residing here as citizens, and we should exercise our franchise here. What is the meaning of us being here without voting? I've been accredited without voting. You said you collected my number that I'm going to vote. When will I vote? Is it accredited? You're still voting? I have voted in my state. I'm from Osun State. I have voted, but it has not been like this ever since. I voted in 2003. So what is the system of voting here? What are we doing here? This is hard nonsense. This is rubbish. The first problem we have here is from INEC itself. The card reader is not reading the card, which is typical rubbish. You brought a candidate that is not reading. Out of 100% of here, 70% is not voting. Then what is the system of voting? When the candidate is not reading 70% of the voters, what are we voting? We are 100 people here. Over 70 people are not voting. I've gone to the polling booth. They have scanned my card, but I am not voting. They say they are not seeing the card. My face is here, my picture, everything is here, but they are not seeing the card. 80% of the people here are having that complaint, and nothing has been done to it.
And to be sincere, I'm not happy. We said we want a free and fair election, but we are not doing that. How will an election be free and fair when we have party agents that are not even working? You said every party should have an agent. At the end of the day, you chase all agents out of the polling units. For what? Secondly, will I call them spies or whatsoever, trying to know what you want to do. It is secret ballot for crying out loud. It should be in a secret place, not even in an open place. You created a secret ballot for us, fine. Yet we still have watchman or watchwoman, which is not supposed to be so. The idea of this issue is we should always say what is right, irrespective of who is involved. And my first annoyance this morning was the fact that the location of the voting was changed.
Èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan tí mo rí ń parẹ́ náà ni pé a ti wà ń bí látàárọ̀, a sì wá orúkọ wa, gẹ́ẹ̀tì orúkọ wa, a dẹ̀ lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn, ọkàn wa, a tẹ̀ka, a tẹ gbogbo ẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọn ò fún wa ní ìwé pé ká lọ dìbò, ìwé tá a fi máa dìbò wọn ò fún wa, wọ́n sọ pé ìkàwòsó, wọ́n dẹ̀ gba fóònù nọ́mbà wa sílẹ̀, so wọn ò fún wa ní pépà ká lọ dìbò, a béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn ò rí èsì kankan fún wa ju pé ká sá lọ dúró lọ. A ti pe àwọn òòṣà ìlú yìí àti àwọn olóyè ìlú yìí, kódà wọ́n ti gbé lọ sọ́dọ̀ baálẹ̀ nísìn, so àti gbọ́ reply tí wọ́n wá fún wa lórí ẹ̀.
Pàápàá jùlọ nílùú Mọdẹ, ó yẹ kí wọ́n fi polling booth ẹyọ kan kò tọ́ sí ìlú Mọdẹ yìí. Ìlú Mọdẹ tóbi lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀, ó sì jẹ́ ìlú kan tí ó lajú tọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn wà ń bẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá máa ṣerú eléyìí tí wọ́n ṣe yìí, irú polling booth yìí, at least ó yẹ kó tó bí ọ̀nà bíi 3. Ìlú tá ń pè ní ìlú Mọdẹ tá a bá wọlé ní, a ó rí i pé àwọn ìlú tó wà ní under Ìmọdẹ tá à ń pè ní Ìmọdẹ ó torí sí bí ọ̀nà bíi 3 sí 4. Tá a bá gbé láti wọ́n pè ìlú kan ní Òkè Oko Ìmọdẹ ni, wọ́n pè kan Lábápàsà Ìmọdẹ náà ni, ibi tí a ti ibi Òrìṣà Ìmọdẹ náà ni, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni tá a bá tún wò a ó rí i pé wọ́n pè bìkan ní Ajéwànwá ara Ìmọdẹ náà ló wà, so that a lot of things tó sáárọ̀ mọ́ ìlú Ìmọdẹ ó pọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n polling booth tí wọ́n fún ìlú Ìmọdẹ ó kéré, ń ló mú kéde àyèdè ó fẹ́ wáyé lórí ìbò tí ó ń wáyé lónìí. Àwọn mìíràn wọ́n tẹ̀ka, wọn ò rí orúkọ, wọ́n kàn tẹ̀ka, àwọn míì sì rórúkọ, wọ́n tẹ̀ka, kò sí àyè fún wọn láti rí i pé láti dìbò.
See, I'm not happy about what is going on today. Look at time, and look at how people are standing here. Like me, I've been here since 7 o'clock. When I get to the polling booth, something accept my card. You understand? The card reader, he accept my card, but he did not accept my thumb. She are getting what I'm saying. INEC supposed to do something. He accept the card, but he did not accept the thumb. The guy staying there is telling me that I should go, that I will not vote. I say for what? But my card, this card, I collected this card 2 weeks ago. It's not old enough. Maybe they say maybe the card has fault. INEC supposed to do something. They will take. I heard the training is for 3 days. The training is for 3 days. Maybe they brought people that is not trained for it. All they are doing us here in Imude, we are not happy. Is it that we are not going to vote? Is it what they are telling us? Just imagine, just look at the sun. Look at how people are standing with their effort. They want to vote. We're getting to that place. They will not tell them that they will not vote. They should go back. That is madness.
Ṣẹ́rí tójú wa rí bí ò dáa. Ṣẹ́rí àwọn tán gbé wá fún wa láìnẹ́ẹ̀kì. Ó pé ju ká gbé wùrùkúrùtù wá ju ká tán kó wá fún wa yìí lọ o. Torí gbogbo tí wọ́n ń ṣe fún wa mi ò tẹ́ wa lọ́rùn. Orúkọ tèmi jáde, fọ́tò mi jáde, orúkọ mi wọ́n rí inú ìwé tán gbéṣẹ́gbẹ́ kan. Wọ́n wá rí gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n ní mi ò lè dìbò. Bí n bá ní n parọ́ àwọn tó bí 25 ọgbọ̀n ó dín díẹ̀. Inú àwọn tí wọ́n lórúkọ wọn rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ń bí tí wọ́n jẹ́ àdìbò. Wọ́n wá ní ká tẹ̀ka sínú ìwé kan lọ́tọ̀ pa àti dìbò. Ẹ dákun ṣé àwọn ni mo dìbò fún ni àbẹ́gbẹ́ wo mo dìbò fún? Torí kò yé mi rárá. Èmi náà sọ ọkọ fún ọ pé ṣé lóòótọ́ là ń ṣèjọba Nàìjíríà bá ń tan ara jẹ. INEC ò rí nǹkan kan ṣe fún wa bí wọn ọ̀rẹ́ tọ́ ṣe eléyìí tá a ṣe kọjá sí ìdájọ́ lóyún lọ. Torí ìlú òrí bó ṣe rí ẹrù èrò ẹwọ bó ṣe dojúrú ẹwọ ẹwọ bó ṣe dàrú ẹwọ ogun ẹ bó ṣe rí ẹwọ iṣẹ́ àgbàlagbà sóòrù ẹwọ àwọn èèyàn lọ ẹwọ òlu ẹwọ ẹ bó ṣe dojúrú tí ò sí látàárọ̀ àpótí ìbò lẹ́wọ̀ tí ò débi kẹ́yìn ó ṣe jẹ́ pé tí a bá gbé INEC bá lóǹde ìran Ìgbò tó jẹ́ INEC wa lé ìkó ń bí òtí àwa lọ́rùn kó o tí a bá lísì ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà ló ń ṣe because eléyìí tó gbé wá bí tó bá gbé card reader tó bá gbé voters card wá sí ẹ̀yìn card reader tó bá torúkọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀ kò ní accept yẹ tó bá ti orúkọ Ìgbò ń bẹ̀ ọmọ accept mo dúró mo ka 42 tó jẹ́ Ìgbò láàrin tó ṣe mo rí Yorùbá 5 èmi fúnra mi wá débẹ̀ mi náà tọ̀pìrìtì kò ṣe mo dẹ̀ ti ń dìbò bọ̀ ilẹ̀ ta sí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá wù ẹ́ rí pé mo ń ṣe kókó mi ń sọ máa ná mo dẹ̀ sọ tí mo sọ nǹkan mi látòrí pé mo mọ̀ pé orílẹ̀-èdè tèmi ni kò ní bàjẹ́ ìlú ò ní bàjẹ́ ìlú Òmòdè la wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ìlú Òmòdè ní à ń pè bí lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi yọ ní Sibiri làágbà wọlé alámọ̀tà national làágbà wọlé síbí ẹ bá wa bá wọn sọ eléyìí tí wọ́n ṣe bí ò dáa o kò dẹ̀ dáa rárá àti rárá Ọlọ́run ó gbàdúrà wa o.